how to download Farlight 84 on PC. So if you want to download Farlight 84 on your PC, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your search. Under search, you need to search for Farlight 84. And then hit the enter and you will get the game right here. So you need to go with your official website, which is right here, Farlight 84. You need to click on it. Farlight 84 is available on many platforms. As you can see that you'll also find it on your Steam. If you have your Steam store, you can go with the Steam and you will have your Farlight 84 on your Steam. Or it is also available on Google Play. So once you're on your official website, as you can see that here are all of the other platforms where you will find your Farlight 84, which is App Store, Google Play, Windows, Steam, Epic Game Store, or Farlight Store. You can go with download, which is on the top right. Click on the download button. Once it's downloaded, you need to go back, open up your file manager, go with the downloads, and where you will have your file, you need to just double click on your file and it will start the installation process. That's how you can download Farlight 84 on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.